If you just moved a grand piano and you realize that it's continually ringing when the keys are pressed, don't panic. That means the sustain isn't working properly, and this is an easy fix. I'm going to show you how to fix this and what a sustain does in this video. Hello, my name is Sean. I'm with Stumpf Moving and Storage, and I'm your go-to guide for anything and everything moving and storage related, especially piano moving. Now, if you hear that continual ringing when you press one of these keys, don't panic. This can be easily fixed in a few seconds, but we have to know exactly what we're looking for and what the sustain does. What does the sustain do? Well, when you press the keys on a piano, typically you just hear that sharp note. But if you press one of the pedals, the sustain pedal, it will allow you to continue that note, and you'll get that prolonged ringing. I'm going to press the sustain pedal. It rang until I lifted my foot. Well, if the sustain isn't working properly, you'll get that prolonged ringing all the time. Our issue is found underneath where the lyre connects to the piano. So we'll go underneath the piano, we'll take a look at all of the components from that right pedal here, the sustain pedal, and we'll work the problem up through. If you need any of the tools or equipment to move a grand piano, a spinet, or an upright, go ahead and take a look in the description below. We have everything linked right there for you. Now, to really diagnose the problem, we have to get down and underneath the piano and see what we're working with here and what could be the problem. That's a sustain pedal, and it has a rod that goes all the way up, and these components work to sustain within the piano. So what could be wrong here? I've already set this up to be worked on, but typically what we find is that this dial pin is coming loose. If this is loose or out altogether, there's a major issue with the sustain, and it just has to really be put back into place. And sometimes, well, this one is a perfect dial, but sometimes they're a little smaller and they don't fit all the way in to the pocket that's located within the piano, or they're not seated properly here on this arm. And we just have to seat it properly. This spring needs to be seated properly because there is a seat for it up top and down below. Again, the dial pin here needs to be seated properly up here and down here. This arm has to be pushed up. This L bracket keeps the arm in place, and we want to make sure that everything is working as it should. Once we have everything seated and the L bracket holding this in place, we can come down here and make sure the rod back into place and in working order. So when I press it, you can see all the mechanism is working. Once we have everything back into place, we'll test by pressing one note. We hear one sharp note, no prolonged ringing. The sustain is working properly. Now again, the biggest culprit of this issue is this dial pin. We see this from time to time popping out. Place that right where it needs to go. Make sure it's seated properly in the top and it's in the pocket up there and down below. The other one we might see is if this isn't screwed in tight enough, or it's too tight, or it's not even holding the arm in place. And then the other one would be if your rod isn't in there. So just make sure everything is hooked up and you'll be good to go. We've already done our preliminary test and it sounded good, but we're going to test it one more time here. Again, I'm going to press one of the keys and listen for any prolonged ringing. No, we don't have any prolonged ringing, but I'm not done with the test yet. I'm going to press the sustain pedal. Again, that's on the right-hand side of the lyre, and we're going to listen for prolonged ringing. We have prolonged ringing. When I take my foot off of that pedal, the ringing stops. That means the keys and the sustain are working as they should. Again, I'm going to try one more time here. Very sharp, no ringing. I'm going to press the sustain pedal. It rang until I lifted my foot. That means everything is good to go. Don't stress, don't call a piano tuner until you've taken a look at the sustain and all of the lyre components. Might be just something isn't seated properly. Have you ever had a sustained issue while moving a grand piano? If you have, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to know what kind of issue you had and how you're able to remedy the situation. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please hit that like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the moving and storage industry, especially piano moving videos. We dive really deep into this topic because we are piano moving specialists. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about who we are and what we do, you can find all of our socials as well as our website linked right down there in the description below. And don't go anywhere because the next video is about to start.